Welcome, welcome. Come on in. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You guys, I found a gem, okay? She is sharing so much information. You can find her information in the description of this video. But I'm coming across new things that I want to share with you guys. And usually when you hear it from a different person, sometimes the same message, it might click. So we just sharing different things because we are all growing in 2026, right? We are working smart, not hard, right? We are utilizing our time wisely. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, go ahead and connect with your girl, thefiercemompreneur.com. It's also the website. Y'all go ahead and connect with me. I'm super excited to be able to share this video with you guys. Look, she gets right into it and she really breaks it down. So I'm also going to share this video on my community wall, but also the link is in the description if you're catching this later, okay? Y'all, pull out your paper, take your notes. $27,000 a year on your 30-minute lunch break by doing these things.
Digital products. You could do budget templates, planners, checklists. You create it once and it sells forever. Make a template, list it on Etsy for $10 to $50. The products are simple, the systems are repeatable, and with AI, you can create these in under an hour, which makes this a beginner's dream. Look at this kitchen wall art. It's a simple quote design. The seller has over 5,000 sales at $7 each. That's $43,000 from one design. Let me spend a couple of minutes in ChatGPT and Nano Banana and see how long it takes me.
And it's a digital design. So once the person purchases it, they can go ahead and get it put on a canvas or, frame it and everything like that. You're done with the process. That's the beauty of it. Work smart.
To do a similar type of design. So let's just go in and we'll type in kitchen wall art. We'll use that as a reference image and we'll say create something similar using trends. And then we'll click generate. And I'm going to speed this up so we don't waste any time. And then once it's done, it will take a couple of seconds to load and boom, under 1 minute, you have wall art that you can sell as a digital product on Etsy. The best part is you create it once and you can sell it forever. There's no inventory, shipping. It's pure digital profit. My favorite tools are Canva for creating and selling. You can either sell the download or you can share it as a customizable.
Make sure you guys write this down. Take your notes. Canva, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and Gamma. Okay, write those down. They are going to be your best friend. And I don't want you to just write it down. I want you to actually go into the systems, the apps, and play around. Get familiar. Utilize the tools. A lot of times we get all this information, we get all these downloads, we take all these courses, and then we're not applying the information. So the information's right here. Now it's up to you to apply that information and go ahead and get this $27,000. Like she said, create one design. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Write it down. Canva, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and Gamma. Let's go.
Template. I also like ChatGPT for brainstorming and image generation. And Nano Banana is great for quick graphics. I also like to use Gamma app for turning content into professional ebooks. The best platforms to sell on: Etsy for built-in traffic, Amazon for reach, Standstore for keeping all.
And go ahead and look up how much traffic goes to Etsy. Just look, start you an Etsy store. Digital products. Go. Come on now. Work smart, not hard.
Your profit, and Gumroad for creator-friendly selling. I actually made this whole video breaking down these platforms and more, and I'll link it up here. So number 2, Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is self-publishing books. You can do journals, planners, notebooks, logbooks, workbooks, coloring books. The good part is Amazon prints and it ships it for you. And then when it sells, you earn the royalties. You can even earn $2 to $8.
You guys can simply put 2 to 3 books up there within the next 45 days and let it do its work over the next 2 to 3 years. You can say every February you're going to publish new books and let it do what it do. Work smart, not hard. Don't overdo it, but just do it. Like Nike, just do it.
Per book. And if you have 50 to 100 books published, you can make between $1,000 to $10,000 a month. I just published a video analyzing real KDP books.
So y'all go over. I said on her page, she has a bunch of videos that truly will give you life. Okay. Will be like, wait, I need to do what? Okay, let me do this. But yes, I love it. I love the information, and it's quick. She gets right down to the point. Not all that extra fluffy fluff. I don't have time for all that.
One made over $73,000 in 18 days, but multiple books are making between $3,000 and $50,000. These are regular people creating simple books, and they're crushing it because people still want physical products that they can hold. And here's what my workflow looks like. I use Canva to design the interior pages. ChatGPT can help me brainstorm the themes and generate content ideas. If I need illustrations like for coloring books, I can use Nano Banana or ChatGPT. And if I'm making something text heavy like an ebook or a workbook, you can use Gamma app and turn an outline into a formatted PDF in minutes. The platform for this is just Amazon KDP. You upload your PDF, you set your price, and Amazon handles the printing, shipping, and the customer service. You just need to collect the royalties. You create it once and you can earn forever. The full video is linked up here. It gives you real examples.
So you can do a shorter workbook, digital workbook, and have that available on Etsy. And then you can do a more detailed actual book. So you're working on the same project. You're just getting a little bit more detailed and have that sold on Amazon. Right there, boom.
And profit calculations. Any of these can replace your 9-to-5 income if you stick with it. But there's one on this list that can absolutely change your life. And sometimes that happens overnight. And that one's coming up. And the third one is print on demand. You can design it once, upload it to Merch by Amazon or Printify, and they print it and ship it when somebody buys it. You can even sell it on TikTok, and you can make $2 to $10 profit per shirt. And top sellers make between $1,000 and $20,000 per month. Print on demand is probably the lowest effort side hustle on this list.
I personally love print on demand. My items are able to be purchased on my website, but also TikTok shop. I have my items on TikTok shop and I have my items on Etsy. And this is a great opportunity because that app and website already have traffic. While I'm still driving traffic to my personal website, which still is linked to the print on demand, it helps to have it on these other platforms as well. It's the same price, but I don't have to deal with shipping or anything. You can go check out my website, www.thefiercemompreneur.com.
I'm looking at Merch by Amazon right now. Simple text-based designs are selling like crazy. Coffee because adulting is hard. Teacher life, dog mom, and these aren't complicated designs, and many of them are text only. And Canva is literally the only tool you need. They have t-shirt templates, mug templates, mock-ups, everything. You can design it, download it, and upload it to your platform. The best platforms are Merch by Amazon if you can get into it because it has massive traffic. You can go to Etsy because it's trusted and has built-in buyers. Shopify with Printify or Printful as your partner if you want to own the store. And TikTok Shop just open print on demand integrations.
And you can also integrate with Printful, Printify with Wix as well.
Just huge. I've made over 36,000 print on demand sales, and most of my designs took under 20 minutes to create. This is a volume game. You create a lot and you see what sticks. And number 4, Etsy, 90 million buyers are searching monthly. Resume templates, invitations, social media templates, digital wall art. Shops with 25 to 40 listings make between $500 and $3,000 a month. This shop sells digital planners, over 40,000 sales. Another shop sells Canva templates, 15,000 sales. These are downloadable files that cost nothing to fulfill. The key to Etsy's success in 2026, niche down hard. For creating products, I use Canva for graphics and place it if I need more mockups for my listings. For keywords, you can use eRank or Everbee. You find what people are actually searching for, then create that product. So number 5, affiliate marketing. Basically what you're doing is you're recommending products for other people to use. And I would start with Amazon Associates because it's one of the best platforms out there and it's free. And on Amazon, you get between 1 to 50% commission. It takes 6 to 12 months.
Affiliate marketing is great. It is great. Your bank has opportunities. Usually your massage place, your med spa might have those opportunities. start asking, because you talk about stuff all the time anyway in general conversation, when you're at the kids' schools, when you're at church, or just even when you're at the grocery store holding a conversation.
But it can hit $500 to $10,000 monthly. Platforms like Impact, PartnerStack, and ShareSale connect you with hundreds of companies offering affiliate programs. And platforms like Amazon Associates and TikTok have their own affiliate marketing, and you can earn commissions directly from them. Some tools I like to use are CapCut for video editing and Canva for graphics. Some of the best platforms to promote on are TikTok because it has insane reach right now, YouTube for long-term evergreen content, and Instagram and Facebook for visual products. And number 6, and this is the one that could replace your full-time income, content creation. Think YouTube, TikTok, blogging, and you share what you know. And here's why this one's different. It compounds. And these videos work for you forever. Your 100th video is still earning while you sleep. This can take some time to get started. Sometimes it's 6 months, sometimes it's 12 months to get monetized. But once you do, you can earn between $1,000 to $50,000 monthly.
And that's why I've been telling you guys, start now, pull out the camera. Because a lot of these things, unless you're on Etsy or TikTok, you still need to have a following. So my TikTok shop, I don't do that well, but I do okay. But my TikTok page is small and I don't put the effort into it. So that is what I say. When you get into a lot of these things, you still need to have a social media following, but it can be faceless, okay? It can be faceless.
Monthly, realistically. And you can post videos during lunch breaks. Those videos will generate passive income every single month. Every other side hustle on this list gets easier when you have an audience. Once you hit YouTube's monetization threshold, you earn ad revenue. TikTok has the creator rewards program and TikTok shop. Instagram has Reels bonuses, and Facebook has ad revenue sharing. But the real money isn't the platform payments. It's the opportunities, brand deals, sponsorships, and your own products. For editing, I use CapCut. It's free and shockingly powerful. Canva for graphics and thumbnails. And if you want to go faceless, which is huge right now, tools I like are HeyGen, Kling AI, 11 Labs, and InVideo. And it lets you create professional videos without ever showing your face. The best platforms are TikTok for explosive reach, YouTube for long-term income, Instagram for visual content, Facebook still has a massive audience, and Substack if you want to write long form and build a paid newsletter. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Your phone, a free editing app, and a good idea is all you need. Put the word starting in the comments if you're ready to do this today. And let me
So that's the thing. You just have to be ready to start and actually do the work. Implement all the information. This was like she's good. Y'all go over to her page and like and subscribe. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. But imagine making $27,000 a year. So just think you're at a job and you're making, let's say, 60,000. This just puts you at $87,000. So with another 13,000, you have hit 6-figure earning year. Still working your 9 to 5, and also these side hustles, which you do not have to continuously create, go out to appointments. You're able to do this from your phone, your laptop, at home, on your lunch break. Those are the type of things us moms need to be doing. You guys get in the comments and let me know, what platforms are you already on, or what are you looking to do?